Hi, my name is Carrie. Welcome to Palm Harbor.
Palm Harbor Home.
We are in the Urban Homestead 3. This comes in 3 different series, a 1, 2, and 3. This house has a 4-bedroom, 2 living areas, one behind me, over here that you can play games, do all sorts of things. My focus here is going to be the kitchen. The kitchen is the heart of the home. It's where we come to talk with family and friends and just have a good time. And as you can see, this is a very open floor plan. We have the dining room area over here where we could all sit and talk and eat. We actually have another living room here, so you can have a whole bunch of social time right here, and you're still, even in the kitchen, being able to be a part of all that, which is really nice. Ladies, you're gonna love this. It has a great walk-in closet for your pantry. Love the island area. This is where you can have your kids sitting here. You can do breakfast. It's a great little place to just relax. You have the stove top here, which is flat, easy to clean. This up here has LED lights. This is easy to clean too, girls. So another favorite thing of mine is, of course, the kitchen sink. It is not on the island, which is nice for me. I love to be able to look out of the window. In the master bedroom, we have a garden tub, huge walk-in shower, dual closets. That means a his and a her closet, which is awesome. The bedrooms are very spacious. They even have big closets in each of them. And this is just a fabulous house. Y'all ought to come out and see us. Palm Harbor. My name's Carrie. See you soon.